This message arrives from a parallel universe
where endings are not recorded as losses, but as transitions. From here, we see you standing at the edge of something you once believed in, a relationship you invested your breath in, a job you shaped your days around, a version of life you tried to make work through effort alone. In your world, leaving is labeled failure, quitting, giving up, not being strong enough to endure. From where we stand, this interpretation is incomplete. You are not failing. You are exiting a story that no longer knows how to hold you. We have observed how long you stayed, how many adjustments you made, how many times you explained yourself, how often you bent your needs into something more acceptable, more patient, more silent. That was not weakness, that was loyalty, and loyalty has a limit. Every story has an arc, a beginning where hope is loud, a middle where compromise teaches you, and an ending where truth becomes impossible to ignore. You were taught that success means staying, that commitment is measured by endurance, that leaving means something in you was insufficient. But from this universe, we learn something else. Staying when your spirit is shrinking is not commitment, it is erosion. You can love a relationship and still outgrow it. You can respect a job and still realize it no longer respects you. You can give your best and still reach the end of what is possible there. This does not erase what was real. It completes it. We see how much guilt you carry when you imagine walking away. The voices that say you should try harder, be more patient, be more grateful, be less sensitive. But ask yourself gently, is this still a place where you are becoming more yourself, or somewhere you are slowly disappearing? Failure collapses you. Exiting clarifies you. Failure leaves you smaller. Exiting returns you to scale. In our records, people who left were often the ones who had learned the lesson fully. They were not escaping difficulty, they were honoring information. A relationship taught you how you love, how you attach, how you abandon yourself, how you want to be met. A job taught you your limits, your talents, your values, your tolerance for compromise. When the lesson is integrated, the environment becomes unnecessary. You are not meant to stay loyal to containers that can no longer support your growth. Growth does not negotiate forever. From here, we do not ask, why didn't you make it work? We ask, what did this chapter prepare you for? Endings feel like death only when you believe identity is fixed. But you are not one story, you are a sequence. Leaving does not erase your effort. It honors it by refusing to waste it further. You are allowed to choose yourself without dramatizing it. You are allowed to change direction without justifying your evolution. You are allowed to close a door without setting yourself on fire, in apology. In this parallel place, people stopped asking if they failed and started asking if they had finished. Finished does not mean broken, it means complete. If you are listening now, hear this clearly. You are not failing. You are exiting a story that has reached its last line, and there are other stories waiting that require the version of you you have become.
End of transmission.